Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how to optimize Google Ads using location. So without further ado, let's get started. So here in the location options of our Google Ads, where we can see all the targeted locations of our campaigns. So if you are targeting multiple cities or if you are targeting multiple countries, then you can see the performance of those specific locations here, like how many clicks they are getting, how many impressions they are receiving, what is their CTR, what is their average CPC, and what is the total cost, what is the conversion rate, and how many conversions they have got, and what is the cost per conversions. So all the metrics are available here. On the basis of those metrics, you can either increase bid adjustment or you can also decrease bid adjustment. So if I am talking about this campaign, then you can see we are targeting two countries. One is USA and next one is Canada. So you can see the performance of those countries available here. So on the basis of those performance, we can either increase the bid or decrease the bids. Okay, so let's see the performance of those two countries, and on the basis of performance, we'll increase the bids and decrease the bids. So first of all, USA. So it has got 638 clicks. CTR is 5.25%, average CPC $1.45, total cost $922, and conversion rate was 0.47, and it has got 3 conversions and cost per conversion is $307. So let's come to the Canadian part. So it has got 431 clicks. CTR is 8.01%, average CPC 90%, total cost $403, and conversion rate is 0.70%, total conversion 3, and cost per conversion 134. So we can see this one is a clear winner, like Canadian location is performing well. So we can increase the bid by 2%. So for increasing the bid, I need to click on this pencil button. Then you can either increase the bid from here or decrease the bid from here. Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to choose increase and I'll give 2% here. Like you can see over here, a $10 bid will become $10.20. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. So whenever a user comes from Canada, he will be bidded 2% higher. So hopefully you have understood how to uh, add or how to optimize Google Ads using locations. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on it. If you like our video, then you can consider subscribing our channel, following our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.